Today we're talking about writing expressions. So our objective or our goal is that I can write a phrase as an expression. So we're going to be looking at phrases or sentences and trying to then translate them into algebraic or numerical expressions. So let's take a look. Some words imply math operations. Okay, so let's look at a few key words. So operations, key words and phrases. Okay, for addition. Okay, what are some words that we usually see when we're talking about addition? Well, you might see words like added to, you might see the word plus, you might see sum of, more than, increased by, or total of, or the word and. Okay, those are a lot of words that you're going to see very commonly used to imply or mean addition. Okay, well, what about subtraction words? We have listed here subtraction. Some common words that you might see that mean subtraction. Oops, subtraction. Sorry about that, subtraction. Okay, you might see the word subtracted or subtracted from. You might see minus. You might see the difference of. You might see less than or decreased by, fewer than, or take away. So anytime you see these words in a phrase or in a math problem, you should always know that that means to subtract. What about multiplication? Well, when you use multiplication, you're going to see things like multiplied by, obviously, that's a very obvious one. You're going to see the word times. You're going to see the word product, like product of, or twice. And just the word of by itself. Sometimes you will see that, which also implies multiplication. What about division? Well, division's pretty easy. There's not very many words that you can use to mean division, but you might see divided by or quotient of. Divided by or quotient of. Okay, let's look at some of these. We talked about some of these yesterday. So let's go over some of them again together and make sure we get them in notes. This should go pretty fast. So, variables. Okay, so we have the variable n and we have the phrase for more than a number. Well, if we're going to have for more than a number, we are going to have n plus 4. If we're going to use m, it says the difference of a number and 3. So the difference of a number, m, comes first, and 3. So m minus 3. The sum of, so sum means addition, a number, which is going to be x, in this case, x and 8. We're going to use p as our variable, 10 less than a number. Well, if it's 10 less than a number, then p needs to come first, and it's 10 less than that. So p minus 10. 7 units farther away could imply that you have n plus 7. Okay, 7 units farther away. So we're moving 7 units away from n. What about t? 8 minutes sooner. Well, 8 minutes sooner implies t for time minus 8. 8 minutes sooner means 8 minutes in the past. Okay, what about w? 12 minutes later. W, 12 minutes later implies adding 12 minutes. And y? a number increased by 9. Well, if you're going to increase something, that is addition, and the number increased by 9. Very good. So now I would like you to pause and try. We have first the sum of 18 and 35, which is a numerical expression, and then 25 less than a number b. Try those on your own. We also have the back that has 3, 4, 5, and 6. I would like you to finish writing these expressions. When you're finished, come check them with me, and then I will have a short assignment or quiz ready for you.